Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Mercedes Finance. First step is to open your browser. You can use any of your browser like Firefox, Safari. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Mercedes Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the homepage of Mercedes Finance. Here you can see login option. Click on it. Now you'll need your email address to log in, so type in your email. You can also use your phone number to log in. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now click on next, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Mercedes Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.